Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarTravel.com and I'm currently on board the beautiful Norwegian Encore. So we're sailing on the inaugural cruise and right now we're checking out some staterooms. I absolutely love the family ocean view with large picture window. It's one of my favorite cabins on board any Norwegian ship for a couple reasons. The big one is you've got a bathtub, which is perfect for kiddos, and you either have extra space or you have separate space depending on where the room is and how it's configured. So let me show you this, this room right now. It's one of the forward facing ones. You're gonna absolutely love it. So when you walk in, right on the right, you're gonna have your temperature control. You also have make up my room, do not disturb. I like that you can click it instead of having to open up the door and put something on the outside, the handle or a magnet. I think it's just really convenient. Okay, here you're gonna have the, you have to put your key card in there to turn on the electrical. Keep in mind that if you take that out, that nothing's gonna charge either, so all the electrical is gonna turn off in the room, so just something that you wanna keep in mind. So right to my right when you come in is the bathroom. Okay, so that's one of the things that makes this room special. So it's kind of the best of both worlds where you have the essentially a mini suite size bathroom, but you've got the bathtub as well. So that's one big difference between the mini suite and this category. I've got a 3.5-year-old traveling with kiddos. Having that the bathtub really makes a huge difference. So as you look inside, you also can see that they've got the wand, the bathtub, and then also you have your refillable soap and shampoo because Norwegian is eliminating all single-use plastics on their vessels. Those have gone away completely, and this is how it's going to be from here going on. Okay, so over here, one thing that I do like is you have some storage where you can put things away absolutely and completely. I love that in a bathroom. You got a little bit of storage up here, not much, and it's a sort of double vanity. So you've got the two faucets, but it's not really a true double vanity with a ton of room. But with a family, having this extra space in here is really nice. So there's the toilet, of course, and then we're gonna head on out. One fun little thing is they've got a little nook here where you can leave a key or you can leave whatever you want, and you've got a mirror, so get ready before you head out. Obviously I didn't, but anyway, different story. All right, so here you've got a ton of storage, so stacking storage here where you've got the shelves, more storage here, more drawer storage all the way down. Okay, you're gonna have your hang-up storage here, and then same on the other side as well. More hang-up storage. One thing that I really like is this particular room actually just accommodates 3 passengers. You can, some of them are 3, 4, or 5, depending on what it is. But one thing that I really like is that you've got your USB port right next to the bed. So if this is being used as a bed, you can do that as well. And then over here, you've got your little table where you can have room service, or just have a place to write or whatever you want. Okay, over here you can have a large TV. So this is a really big TV. It's way bigger than you're gonna get in the balconies or the mini suites on board the ship, and then a ton more storage under here. So you've got drawers here, and you've got more shelving there. A ton of drawers here for storage, which you need with a family. And you also have a mini fridge here as well. Got 2 US plugs, I did want to point that out. You also have your remote here. Keep in mind that you can use the TV to access the guide, so you can look at different menus, you can look at your account, you can use it for all kinds of different things. Okay, and then there's more storage even on the other side. So you've got more hang-up storage here. Right here is going to be your safe. Not big enough for a laptop, but perfect for personal belongings. You got some shelves here. Go. So you've got more shelves here and underneath as well. There we go. You can see a ton of storage. So you can see there's an absolute ton of storage here. This room can hold 4 passengers. Some of the family ocean views can hold 5 as well. Just make sure that you check the deck plans to see which ones do or don't. But for that many people, you want a ton of storage so you can put everything away. I really like that. So now you've got the vanity over here. So this is a nice chair. Most of the rooms just give you a little stool. So this is a really nice upgrade. You've got 3 US plugs right here. You've got a European plug there as well. You've got your hairdryer underneath. That's standard for all rooms on board the ship. Over by the bed, you've got a little bit of storage here. You've got a USB charger next to either side, which I like. You've got a nice little reading light, a lamp, and then there's some LED backlighting that turns on as well. So I'll head over to the other side. Same thing, this is really nice though. It has a US plug over here, light controls. You got your reading light, the lamp, and then that's backlights as well. And then also, I think this is mostly used for blankets and such. No, it's completely open, so you've got way more storage here as well. So an absolute ton of storage for this room and a really, really nice size. Space is such a commodity that you don't get a ton of on a cruise ship. This is a really special room for a family. And then finally, to top it off, you've got this beautiful window here. So the window looks directly out to the front of the ship. You get these really, really fantastic views. And also, as somebody with a young child, you don't have to stress about the balcony or the mini suite, you know, stepping outside and having that, because this one has no way for them to get outside basically, except for going out the door. So you get these incredible views, you get a ton of space. It's an absolute perfect option for a family. So I hope that you really enjoyed this video. Make sure that you like the video and that you subscribe to our page. Also, make sure that you hit the bell for notifications so that you can see all the awesome upcoming video content that we have. We have a ton of Norwegian out there already. We've got a ton of Norwegian and other cruise lines coming up. So hope to see you on board soon.